Winton School. Ko Jack here. He is Jack. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for our party, the 3rd of March.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is aha, which is te reo for what?
As in, he aha tenei. What is this?
He potae tenei.
Ka pai e hoa. It is a hat.
Aha, which is te reo for what?
Let's talk about heat-ups, koutou.
1. Have your heat-up name with your room number clearly marked.
And 2. Have it in the class heat-up tray before school starts.
Okay, on to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is high from 12 o'clock until 4 o'clock.
And potae from 10:30 please too, koutou. Kia ora.
Hi, VIZ VESTS. Most students are bringing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Pedestrian crossing news. Please look carefully before you cross the road.
Yesterday morning, we were very close to having a terrible accident.
Look right, look left, then look right again before crossing the road, koutou.
Still on health and safety news, bikes and scooters. Everyone must walk them within the school grounds.
Be mindful of the juniors and all of your little brothers and sisters, especially after school.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Book venues every day next week until 3:30 after school.
And remember, it's Winton Fun Run Day on Sunday, 3, 5 or 10Ks, starting at 10 a.m.
We are red, koutou.
Okay, tomorrow is Raimeri, and it's my favourite day to Otiriki because it's sausage sizzle day.
Yes, even though it's athletics, there is still the PTA sausage sizzle.
Get your stamps in the library from 8:30, koutou. Correct money, please.
Athletics news. Can all 8, 9 and 10-year-old running team for the relay please meet over the road at playtime?
Okay, 2 birthdays at Winton School today.
Maya Short and Logan Wallace are both turning the lucky number 7.
Rafa no ke kora. Happy birthday, you too.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, kakatea popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā, and fingers crossed.